Honor Play comes with a large 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen and delivers powerful performance backed by built-in artificial intelligence or AI. Choose between two colors, midnight black or navy blue. It comes in two memory variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB using dual hybrid SIM slot. Designed in a bezel-less aluminum body, the phone comes with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and a notch for large viewing experience. Unlock the phone using either the multifunctional fingerprint sensor or facial recognition. The phone is powered by Kirin 970 octa-core processor with a dedicated neural processing unit that enables AI for improved camera, gaming and sound performance as well as AI shopping. The GPU Turbo with the dedicated gaming mode and AI deliver an advanced 4D gaming experience. The phone has a 16-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual AI rear camera setup. The AI mode can identify 22 different categories of images across 500 scenarios in real time and optimize the settings automatically to enhance the quality of pictures. The electronic image stabilization helps take stable videos even when you're on the move. The phone has a 16-megapixel front camera. Both cameras enable the bokeh effect. Honor Play runs the MUI 8.2 operating system on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. It is powered by a 3750 mAh battery with a fast charger. The phone comes with a Type-C charger, protective case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide and warranty card. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery and payment through your debit or credit card.